What happens when you cut yourself, and why do we breathe? Hello, marvelous minds. I am Professor Potts. Have you ever scraped your knee or gotten a little paper cut and wondered, what's going on under my skin? Why do we bleed, and how does our body fix itself? And have you ever thought, why do we breathe all day and night, even when sleeping? Well, today, we're diving into two amazing mysteries of your body, healing and breathing, and how they work together to keep you alive and kicking. And yes, we've got a super cool experiment you can try safely at home. So, take a deep breath, and let's begin. What happens when you cut yourself? Let's say you accidentally get a small cut, ouch. But what happens? Here's the play-by-play from inside your body. Blood comes out, that's your body's way of cleaning the wound. Platelets rush in, these are special cells that clump together and plug the hole like bricks in a wall. A scab forms, it's like nature's bandage, made from a protein called fibrin, which hardens to keep germs out. White blood cells show up, these are your body's tiny warriors. They fight off bacteria and help you heal. New skin grows, little by little, your body rebuilds the skin, and the scab falls off when the job's done. So next time you get a scratch, remember, your body's emergency crew is already on the scene. Why do we breathe? Now, let's talk about breathing. You do it about 20,000 times a day without even thinking about it. But why? Breathing is how we get a special gas called oxygen into our bodies. When you breathe in, oxygen goes into your lungs. It travels into your blood, where it hitches a ride on red blood cells. Then it zooms around your body, helping all your cells make energy. When cells use oxygen to make energy, they create another gas called carbon dioxide, which your body doesn't need. So, when you breathe out, carbon dioxide leaves your body like a puff of steam. You breathe in oxygen, you breathe out carbon dioxide, and that's how your body stays energized all day long. How are breathing and healing connected? Great question. The cells that fix your cut need energy to do their job. And guess what? They get that energy using oxygen from your breath. So every time you breathe, you're giving your body the fuel it needs to repair itself, fight germs, and keep going strong. Breathing is not just about air, it's about life. Fun experiment time. Let's see how your lungs work with this fun, hands-on experiment. Make a model lung. You'll need a plastic water bottle, empty, a balloon, a straw, a small rubber band, a bit of modeling clay or Play-Doh, scissors, ask an adult for help. Steps. Cut the bottom off the plastic bottle. Stretch a balloon over the cut end, this is your diaphragm. Stick a straw into a second balloon and wrap the neck of the balloon tightly around the straw. Insert the straw into the bottle's top and seal around it with clay, no air should leak in. Pull down on the bottom balloon gently and watch the top balloon inflate. What's happening? When you pull the balloon down, you create space in the bottle, just like your diaphragm creates space in your chest. That makes air rush in and fill your lungs. Let go, and the balloon deflates, just like breathing out. Let's recap, what did we learn? When you get a cut, your body starts healing right away, with platelets, scabs, white blood cells, and new skin. We breathe to bring in oxygen, which powers every cell in our body. Breathing helps healing by giving your body energy to repair itself. You can make a model lung to see how breathing works. So the next time you take a breath or scrape your knee, remember, your body is a super machine, working all the time to keep you healthy, healed, and full of energy. Remember to like and subscribe for more adventures in science. Until next time, keep breathing, keep healing, and stay curious.